Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are healthy and safe at home. Myself Rashri Tirthani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Kids, today I am here to teach you English text. In this, we will revise chapter 11, Jijo and Ellie. So kids, first let's see the points to remember. Jijo likes to watch and play with elephants and look after them in an elephant camp. The story is about Jijo and a little elephant. Jijo, he likes to watch elephants swing their trunk and play in the mud. He loves elephants and he look after them in an elephant camp when they are sick and hurt. One day he sees a little elephant crying softly. One day he goes for a walk by the river. Suddenly he sees a little elephant lying in the mud and crying softly. She has hurt her leg. Jijo pets her. Why she is crying? Because she has hurt her leg. So she is very sad. Jijo pets her and names her Ellie, and he runs to the elephant camp, calls the keepers, and they take the little elephant to the camp. Jijo feeds her, bathes her and sings to her. As they take Ellie to the elephant camp, there Dr. Anand is a vet. Who is a vet? Vet is a doctor for animals. He ties a cloth around Ellie's leg and gives her medicines. And Jijo takes care of Ellie. He bathes her, feeds her and sings to her. Mother elephant and father elephant are happy to see her and trumpet in joy. After few weeks, Ellie is fit and fine. She is able to walk and run. So Jijo takes her to the forest. There she is very happy to see her parents, mother elephant and father elephant. And mother elephant and father elephant are also very happy to see Ellie, and they trumpet in joy. And Ellie touches Jijo with her trunk and she slowly walks away. So kids, now let's revise the bookwork of this chapter. Question is, number these sentences in the correct order. We have to arrange these sentences in the correct order. First is, Jijo sees Ellie lying in the mud. One day Jijo goes for a walk to the river. So when he was walking, he sees Ellie lying in the mud. Next is, the keepers take Ellie to the camp. As she is hurt, so keepers take Ellie to the camp. Next, Dr. Anand gives Ellie some medicines. As she is hurt, so Dr. Anand, who is a vet, he gives Ellie some medicines. Now, Jijo looks after Ellie, and Jijo looks after Ellie in an elephant camp. Ellie gets well and is able to walk and run. Now, as she is taking medicines, so she is fit and fine, she is well and able to walk and run. Now, point number 6, mother elephant and father elephant are happy to see Ellie. When she goes back to the forest, her mother elephant and father elephant are very happy to see her back and they trumpet in joy. Next question is, question B, complete these sentences. We have to complete these sentences. First is, Jijo likes to watch elephants. What he likes to watch in elephants? Swing their trunk and play in the mud. Second point is, at the elephant camp, Jijo, what he used to do at an elephant camp? He looks after elephants. Point number 3, Ellie is not able to get up. Why she is not able to get up? Because she has hurt her leg. Fourth is, Jijo pets Ellie because Ellie is sad. Why she pets Ellie? Because she is sad. Fifth is, Jijo runs to the elephant camp to call the keeper to help Ellie. As Ellie is hurt, so Jijo runs to the elephant camp to call the keeper to help Ellie. Sixth is, mother elephant and father elephant trumpet in joy because why they trumpet in joy? They are happy to see Ellie, because they are happy to see Ellie as she is back to the forest and she is fit and fine. So mother elephant and father elephant are trumpet in joy because they are happy to see Ellie. Next is enjoying the story. In the story, Ali touches Jijo 2 times with her trunk. Read the story and complete these sentences. So, first is Ali touches Jijo with her trunk the first time. Because why she touches Jijo the first time? Because Jijo pets her when she is sad. Because when she was sad, so Jijo pets her. Second is Ali touches Jijo with her trunk the second time. Because why she touches Jijo the second time? Because she is saying bye to Jijo. When she is going back to the forest, she wants to say bye to Jijo. So she touches the second time with her trunk. So kids, let's revise the copywork of this chapter. Let's revise new words first. First is trunks. T-R-U-N-K-S, trunks. Second is mud. M-U-D, mud. Third is elephant camp. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. C-A-M-P, camp. Fourth is softly. S-O-F-T-L-Y, softly. Fifth is keepers. K-E-E-P-E-R-S, keepers. Sixth is medicines. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E-S, medicines. Seventh is trumpet. T-R-U-M-P-E-T, trumpet. Now let's see the make sentences. First is joy. Holi is a festival of joy. We all used to play with balloons, colors at the festival of Holi. So Holi is a festival of joy. Second is forest. Second word is forest. Wild animals live in the forest. Now let's revise the word meanings. First is vet. What is the meaning of vet? Vet means a doctor for animals. What is the meaning of vet? A doctor for animals. Sick. Second is sick. Meaning of sick is not well. Now let's revise the question answers. First is what does Jijo do? What he used to do? Answer is Jijo looks after elephants in an elephant camp. He looks after elephants in an elephant camp. Let's revise once again. What does Jijo do? Jijo looks after elephants in an elephant camp. Question 2. Why is the little elephant crying? Why little elephant was crying? Answer is the little elephant is crying because she has hurt her leg. Why she is crying? Because she has hurt her leg. Let's revise once again. The little elephant is crying because she has hurt her leg. Now let's see the hard words of this chapter on the board. So kids, our first word is trunks. What is the spelling of trunks? T-R-U-N-K-S, trunks. What is the spelling of trunks? T-R-U-N-K-S, trunks. Next word is mud. M-U-D, mud. What is the spelling of mud? M-U-D, mud. Next word is elephant camp. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. What is the spelling of elephant? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Camp. C-A-M-P, camp, elephant camp. Next word is softly. S-O-F-T-L-Y, softly. S-O-F-T-L-Y, softly. Next word is keepers. K-E-E-P-E-R-S, keepers. K-E-E-P-E-R-S, keepers. Next word is medicines. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E-S, medicines. M-E-D-I-C-I-N-E-S, medicines. Next word is trumpet. T-R-U-M P-E-T, trumpet. T-R-U-M-P-E-T, trumpet. Now let's see the word meanings. First word is vat. What is the meaning of vat? The meaning of vat is doctor for animals. A doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor for, F-O-R, for animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, doctor for animals. Now next word is sick. S-I-C-K, sick. What is the meaning of sick? Sick means not well. N-O-T, not well. W-E-L-L, not well. Let's revise once again. What is the meaning of vet? Vet means a doctor for animals. What is the meaning of sick? Sick means not well. So kids, our chapter is over. I hope you all revised it very well with me. Thank you.